guys, welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Happy Thanksgiving, wherever you are. I am on 85 southbound, heading towards Atlanta. I'm in the express lane. Hey Nick, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? God bless you, bro. Happy holidays to you. Leaving 85, I'm about to head towards 285. 285 is a go around in Atlanta. If you follow 285 in Atlanta, it'll take you in a big circle. But it connects to all major highway from east to west and from north to south. What is it? I-20 East. Take 20. You could go straight through Atlanta on I-20, but the go around for trucks, I'm not in the truck right now, but the go around for trucks is 285. You cannot go through the city of Atlanta with a truck, and unless you have delivery in Atlanta. Same with I-75 and I-85. You cannot go through the city of Atlanta unless you have a delivery. So you have to jump on 285 and go around. Hey guys, if you don't have Princess AG TV, come on now, you gotta get my girl now. MTC, what's going on, brother? God bless. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Always a pleasure having you, my brother. Guys, don't forget to double tap on your phone screen to give me that like on this video. I'm in my vehicle today. I'm not in the truck. Over where we at right now is Decatur County, or Decatur, something like that. Decatur County? DeKalb County. I respect that, brother. I respect that. That's what it's all about. Support. have a video gonna be coming out. I can't really tell you guys where I'm going right now, but I'm gonna reveal it on the video that's gonna come out. I'm going to a friend's house. Do Thanksgiving, and this is their first Thanksgiving in this country. Hold on there, brother. Okay, that is where. It's where your cousin? Decatur really big still enough, because your cousin could be off of Decatur's kind of big. Matter of fact, I'm heading right into Decatur right now. The sign right there, Decatur, I-78, Interstate 78. We have to link up one day, Nick. We have to link up, my yo. Trust me, man. You bring good vibes. Matter of fact, over by Decatur, I was with another company. I used to have a run picking up from over there, over at Marshall's warehouse, and bring to the Marshall warehouse down in Mississippi. I used to do it every day. And also that's where all the Jamaican items we need, they have a Carib farmers market over there. Any Jamaican product you need, that's where we used to go, right there in Decatur. I still go there. In Atlanta, I kind of sort of know the area, but I don't know it fully. Remember, I'm a man from up north, New York area. I don't know if you guys see the phone, I shake, but it's the type of phone holder I have. It's attached to the windshield.
No, it's not shaking back.
Okay.
Oh, you know the farmer's market.
Yeah, man, I love that farmer's market, man. Chinese own it, but they have a black girl in there. She's pretty cool, American black girl, real short, dark skin, real nice young lady. I'm not gonna judge her still, but a real nice young lady. We're not here to judge me. What is it called? Pleasant Farm Road? Off of 85?
Pleasant Farm.
Pleasantville,
Pleasantdale.
Off of 85?
Pleasantdale Road.
Pleasantdale?
I guess.
Oh, you can tell your cousin if he wants real good seafood at a cheap price. Pleasantdale Road off 85. There's another farmer's market up there.
You probably know.
I came on when everybody at work
Everybody.
are home sleeping, huh?
They at home sleeping and cooking food.
I know, cooking
Or
food.
traveling.
I just figured let me just do a little vlog, do a little video, cause hey, I'm just driving. But it's good to see you guys here. I really appreciate you guys here. God bless you guys all the time. Oh, I'm spending a special shout out to if you guys don't have it, whoever is here. If you don't have KK of Special KK, go on over to our channel and check her out. She's over there in England. Princess AGTV. She's in the chat. Check her out. Check out my girl Princess AGTV, please.
He said he's still there, he's doing laundry.
Yes, sir, everybody busy. Respect, man, respect. I saw it coverage. We have to do what we have to do now. Almost reach where we're going. I think I have another, maybe another half hour.
We're not there yet.
I just want to see the
No, don't worry about it.
distance. Some people. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna say, but I don't want to get beat up.
Yeah, you're gonna get beat up.
Now I'm gonna say what I was about to say. I don't want to get beat up.
Yeah,
Nick, you'd have to come rescue me. When the woman talk, I just sit and listen.
30 minutes, 27 minutes.
Okay, I'm 27 minutes away from destination. But me really cannot show you guys where I'm going because I'm gonna make a video after I reach. Thank you, Nick. Thank you.
Nick already knows.
Sometimes you have to just sit down and take it. And that's why I know say you're a grown man, you know, Nick. You understand.
Nick said, okay, probably know already. Him love cooked food.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Don't say nothing, don't Nick, you're right. I'm gonna show them. This is their first Thanksgiving in this country, you know. So I'm gonna show them love. You understand? Especially the kids, them, because that's what we have to look out for our future, you know, Nick. Kids, they are our future. I wish my daughter and my granddaughter was down here, though. What them say? It is what it is. Look at this fool coming up on me. Man, these people, you better be careful. This is a holiday season. Yeah, he came up on right under my bumper and then cut over. Yo, it's a holiday season. You guys need to be careful out here, man.
Don't worry about them. Just chill. Relax. Just drive. Just relax. You keep a tight ass.
That's my girl. Yeah, I'm gonna make the person we are talking about, I'm supposed to make a little domino table and things, and we be two domino and, you know what I say? So, now relax and chill out. Virgin, we need it sometime. And sometimes we need our own people to do it. No worry. No worry. Hey Nick, you can link you on Instagram at AGBond Jamaican, you know. Couple of people the other day when I was on the live, couple of people linked me up on Instagram. I'm glad for the unity, you know.
MTC say where you going?
I can't tell you no, Bridget. I can't tell you because I'm going to do a video. And that's going to ruin the surprise.
That shit stinks.
Come right up. Yeah, that's going to ruin the surprise, man. Alright, people, I'm going to catch you guys later because I really and truly don't want to reveal too much. You understand? So I'm going to end this live. Thanks, guys, for coming. Happy holidays. God bless everybody.
Hello, Isaac family.
Isaac family, blessings. Isaac family, no matter. Don't say nothing, Isaac family. So later on, I might do another live. Or I'm just gonna do a video. But God bless you guys. You know, always keep God in your life and blessings and respect. Catch you guys on the next one.